board by nature. Easy to the line of field, reach the ball, insect to the swinger and rider. With the last one, up to
Ayun mo, hawak mo na lang.
they embody resilience in the water. So once again, our lead one, easy with the ready. And now we're going to our field around the ball by 10. Sahara. Playing in the cycle, easy. Also has the Royal Python. A Python species in the West and Central Africa, versus in Westland, Province, and Open Water. This non-venomous creature is the smallest of the African pythons, growing the maximum length of 182 centimeters. The Nemo python reserves its tendency to grow to a ball when stressed or frightened. So once again, our ball python Sahara, here's one. And now I have with you here our bearded dragon. Belonging to the genus Cogarna, native to the arid regions of Australia. They have rounded body, triangular head, and a sticky beard of light scale. In the wild, bearded dragons are omnivores, consuming insects, vegetation, and occasionally birds. As pets, they communicate through body language and can live up to 10 to 15 years with proper care. Though healthy, the cycle of owing bone disease and respiratory infection can occur without proper anesthesia. So once again, our bearded dragon, Bogart, with Singer Luna.
Popcorn daw natapon.
So this time, I need a female adult volunteer. Once again, a female adult volunteer. Just raise your hand, and I will teach you. Okay, ma'am, please join here in front.
Binibilad na yun, no?
Good afternoon, welcome to the Nelson Park. What is your name? Jalika. Now, one question. Do you know what animal is going up next? Do you have any idea? Okay, well, to try to use. The next animal that you're about to see is very big, very soft, very dense. Okay, ma'am, please stay right here for a while. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a small situation here. Our next animal that you're about to see is missing. But don't worry, our singers will go around and look for her, so nothing to worry about it. Yes, there's Daddy. Okay, singers, sabak daw. Oh, there's sabak. Okay, please take a look what's inside. Oh, what's that, singers? That's my singers. The gray one, the other box. Okay, I think we found her.
Nakayan na nako. Nakayan na nako. Dali, ayun na. Nakayan na. Bilis, lapitan mo.
Is that her? Is she okay?
Bilis, lapitan mo. Ayan na, kayan na nak.
Not moving over.
Ayun o, siya.
Okay, please bring her up.
Snake.
Ayun na, may